Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete archived mails on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your archived mails on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone, and after opening your Gmail, guys, all of your archived mails on Gmail will be on the all mail section of your Gmail. So to go to the all mail section of Gmail, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-line icon available for us at the top left. Tap on it and scroll down a little bit, and you can find the all mail option available for us over here just below the drafts. Tap on all mail and all of your archived mails will be available for us over here. For example, let's go back to the primary mail section and let's archive a mail, and let's scroll down. Over here, guys, you can see there is a Google security option available for us, which has arrived on my email on the June 4. So let's archive this email. And to do that, after tapping and holding on it, let's tap and hold on it, and there is the archive button available for us at the top of the screen where I'm tapping, and where it says the archive, tap on the archive button at the top of the screen and that mail will be archived. So it had arrived on June 4. So let's go back and let's go to the all mail. Now you can see the dates. Now let's scroll down a little bit, and on June 4 you can see, guys, there is the Google security alert option available for us, which is the mail we had just archive. Now in order to delete it, simply tap and hold on it, and the delete button will be available at the top of the screen. Tap on delete and that mail will be deleted on your Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to delete your archived mails on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.